Good day, team. This is your reminder, if your return grill looks like this, don't ever let it get this bad. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that layer on there. That's amazing. You need a shop vac to clean your grill. If it looks like this, please don't let it get this dirty. And if your filter, look at that baby. That baby's so dirty, it's almost getting sucked into the furnace. If it's ever this color, you're wrong. Don't let your furnace filter turn a dark gray or a black. Pretty please. That's a real dirty filter. Let's get it, team.